In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 every single day on autopilot. I'm going to give you a full website for free, and towards the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you can get free unlimited traffic to your offers. I'm going to announce a giveaway that I'm doing, so if you want to win free stuff, just stick to the end. In addition to that, I'm also going to teach you how you can build a long-term business that generates you cash while you sleep. With that all said, let's hit this method. Just to make sure you don't get lost in the process, all the links mentioned in the video, I'm going to put them in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. So if you're having trouble finding it, it's going to be inside a file that you can just click and open in the pinned comment and in the description. So no confusion there. Now, if you're already subscribed to the channel, you know the drill. Click where I click, do what I do, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start making money. So the absolute first thing that you have to do is click link number 1 in the text file. It's going to take you to this website right here. So to create your account, all you have to do is type in your email, click here, and it's going to ask you to confirm your email address, and that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so the email address is confirmed. Now you have to set a password. All right, I'm not a robot. Click save, and you're in the account. All you need is an email and a password. It's as easy as that. All right, now once you're in the account, you have to click the link number 1 again to open the website that I shared with you, that I'm giving to you for free. Once you open it again, it's just going to take you to this page, which is going to give you access to the website. All right, for this, you don't need to buy a domain. This software already provides you one for free. This site is a website builder, funnel builder, it's a list builder, it's all in one, and it's completely for free. You don't have to pay a dime to use it. It does have paid plans, but you don't have to pay. All right, so once you've imported it to your account, all you have to do is change the URL path to something different. I'm just going to put offer and click here, the green button, save. All right, now you need to click here, this little down arrow, and you click settings. Now, once you click settings, you need to click mail settings on the left-hand side, mailing settings. And once you see this window here, you need to set a sender email address, and this needs to be a Gmail. All right, so you put your Gmail in sender email address, and then in sender name, you just put your name in, and in test email address, you put the same Gmail in. All right, now you're going to scroll down and click save. All right, mailing settings has been updated successfully. Now that's done. The next step that you have to take is you're going to go into, you're going to hover your mouse over contacts, and you're going to click on tags, and you're going to create a new tag. Add a new tag at the top right corner of the website. Before you set the name, if you like to make money online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, because what I do here on this channel is literally post free videos every single week teaching you how you can make money online. What are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now so you don't miss the future videos. So for this tag name, what I'm going to do is put something like test 1. All right, now we've done that. Now you need to hover your mouse over emails and click on campaigns. You're going to create a new one on the top right corner. Set a name campaign 1. This doesn't really matter, only you're going to see this. Okay, so now you need to click on funnels. You need to click your funnel. So when you click your funnel, now you have to set an automation rule. You just click here, automation rules, where my cursor is. Now you need to add a rule. What you're going to do now is click funnel step form subscribed. Now you need to add a action. Click add a tag. Then you're going to choose the tag that we just created, which is test 1. Save rule. All right, now it's saved, successfully saved. What this does is whenever someone leaves their email in your website, they're going to be tagged and entered into a certain campaign. But before they go into that campaign, you have to take one more little step. So click automation rules again. Now you click funnel step form subscribed. Click on it. Now you want to add another action. Click add action here where my cursor is, and you want to subscribe to campaign. Now you want to choose the campaign we just created, which is campaign number 1 in my case, and I want to save the rule. All right, now as you can see, we just set 2 rules. Whenever the person gives you their email, they're going to be tagged with the tag, and then when they get tagged, they're going to be put inside a certain campaign. Now you have a fully working website. Now the next thing that you need for this to work is a offer, and for the offer, so you can make the money, I have a few options for you in today's video. Hey guys, I just wanted to drop in here really quick and tell you about my new course, which is called Pro University. For you guys that want to make money online and you can't get off the ground, Pro University is going to offer you lots of ways that you can use to make money online. If you're interested in the course, it's only 49 bucks a month, which I can promise you that you're going to be able to make more money than you're going to be spending on it. If you actually follow the lectures inside the course, there's no doubt you will be able to build a profitable business online. If you're struggling to pay credit cards, if you're struggling to pay some bills right now, don't hesitate to check out the course. Inside the course, there's also a Discord group which you're going to have private access to, that I'm in there at least once every single day answering all the questions that you have personally. So that means when you get in the course, apart from all the video tutorials that you're going to be seeing, you're also going to have my help. And on the videos inside Pro University, I'm able to do something that I can't do here on YouTube, which is go in depth into all of these topics, explain every single single topic that there is into building a profitable business. And I'm able to do that without having to worry about the YouTube algorithm promoting my video or not. So if you're interested, just click the link below in description. It's called Pro University. It's going to be there for you for 49 bucks a month. And you can even affiliate yourself to the program to be able to earn a 25% commission every time you make a sale. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. So for easy offers, you can use, I have 2 offers for you. One of them is you can repost my videos and get paid to do so. And all you need is to input your email right here. When you input your email right here, you're going to be tagged and you're going to receive a link to a Google Drive folder in case you want to repost my videos for money. And if you do choose that route, these are the amounts you're going to be paid. You're going to be paid anywhere from $10 to $200, depending on the amount of views you can get. And on top of that, when you enter your email, you're also going to get a link, an affiliate link for my course where you can sell and make a profit. Every time you sell one of my courses, you get 25%. All right. So in that case, you're going to be paid directly by me. The reason why I'm showing you this offer right now is because it doesn't require any registering, any bank accounts, nothing. You can literally get paid as easy as that wherever you live. And if you want even more offers, you can go to some websites that I'm going to list for you in the document below as well. Those websites are CPA Lead, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, and ClickBank. For the sake of this video, I'm only going to show you one, which is Digistore 24. All right, we're going to grab an offer there and I'm going to show you how you can do it. All right, so this is the homepage for the website Digistore 24. This one, you need to create an account. If you want to create an account, just click sign up now. And what they're going to ask you for is an email, username, and password. All right, when you register for the website, you have to click marketplace on the top and then you want to choose all offers on the affiliate marketplace. When you hit the marketplace, you're going to be faced with multiple niches on the left hand side that you can choose to advertise for yourself. Each of these products that you sell, you're going to make a commission on them. So as you guys can see, I've been taken to this ultimate keto meal plan. This is a fitness offer and I can earn up to $25 by selling it, which is a 85% commission. Since I like finance, I just clicked finance and investment and I'm going to choose this crypto offer right here just to show you how you do it. Click promote now and it's going to show you your own affiliate link. All you have to do is copy this link and every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you're going to get a commission. In this case, for this product, the commission is $420.55. That equals a 50% commission and this is a cryptocurrency video course for beginners. All right, so it doesn't matter what offer you choose, as long as you chose an offer so you can make money. Go back to the website where you have your website, your funnel. Now you want to click funnels on the top and you want to choose your funnel once more. Once you do that, you want to click edit here on this little magic wand. It says edit page. Just click on it. It's going to open your website. All right, now go back to your offer and what you want to do is you want to open the sales page for it and you can find the link to open a sales page right here as where my cursor is. Click sales page, open it. All right, this is where the sale is going to be made. This is going to be made through your link. You don't have to worry about making the sale because the sales page is already done. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be driving traffic to that page where you're going to grab people's email. So in the future, you can reach them without having to pay for advertise. And I'm also going to show you how you can do that on autopilot. All right, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it into my website just to make people give me their email and then take them to this sales page right here where I can make the sale and earn the money. Okay, so this is what I came up with. The better you do this page right here, the more conversions you're going to get. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it as it is. I just typed in some stuff to convince people to give me their email. And after they input their email right here and click this, they're going to be taken to my affiliate offer. But first, for that to happen, I need to go back to my funnel and I need once more to click the edit page. It's going to take me to the edit website. I'm going to click this form right here where it says email. Just click on it. It's going to open some options on the left hand corner. All right, just confirm if it says email. That's good. Then you click this button right here where it says get this amazing thing. Click on it and it should say send form, and where it says here underneath to the next step, you're going to click on it and you're going to select to a custom URL because we want to send them to a different website after they click the button. Okay, so click that. Now you're going to go back to the affiliate marketplace where you got your offer. You want to get your affiliate link. So let's say my affiliate link is my course, and I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to input my course, my affiliate link right here where it says redirection URL. All right, so there's the link. Now what you want to do is click here on the top right corner, save changes. This is very important. You need to save the changes. Okay, click save. Now you want to exit right here on the top right corner as well. Exit the funnel, and then you can click on this blue button to see your funnel, view funnel. All right, Looks really good. If you click here and input your email and click this button, you're going to be taken to the website. Just to make sure if it's work, I'm going to do it with you watching right now. So I'm going to click get this amazing thing. All right, so now we grab the email and they've been taken to the offer of the sales page where you can make the sale. So just to make for sure if it worked, you're now building your own email list so you can reach that customer in the future. This is great. It's all for free. When I started doing marketing online, you had to pay hundreds of dollars every single month to use a software like this. So go back to System.io, and just to make sure the contact has been saved, you want to click on contacts. You want to hover your mouse over contacts and you want to click contacts. And as you guys can see, here's the email that we just inputted into the field. And as you can also see, he's been tagged with our test1 tag. And when he was tagged, he was also added to our campaign. But we haven't yet added anything to our campaign, and that's what we're going to do right now. You don't have to write any emails. I'm going to give you templates that you can just copy and paste. Just follow my step by step and you're going to be ready to start making money. So now you want to hover your mouse over emails and you want to click campaigns. We're going to go back to our campaign, click on the campaign, and you want to click add an email. All right, as you can see, we've already set up the sender name, sender email address. We need to set up the subject. What subject are we going to be using? As I said, I'm going to give you the template. All you have to do is copy and paste. So I'm going to copy the subject, go back to System.io, input the subject. Now I'm just going to choose this template right here, create. Now to change the text, all you have to do is click on the text and then you can change it. You can write on it, do it whatever you want. I'm just going to remove this image right here. You just click the little trash bin. Okay, now I'm going to copy the body of the email. All right, so if you want to get a little more creative, you can, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to click on this link and I'm going to add the link to here. Okay, so I'm going to choose this option right here to add the link to the text. I'm going to once again grab my affiliate offer link and I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to click this save. All right, so that's done. Click on the top right corner, save changes, and then exit. Now we have our first email. Click save. Now to publish it and make it live, you need to click this publish button, green button right here. If you click it and it's green, it's not published yet. When you click it, it's going to ask you some information. Do you want to delay before sending the email? What this means is when someone signs up to your email list, do you want it to be sent straight away or do you want there to be a delay? So in my case, I don't want any delay, so I'm just going to put 0 and I'm going to click publish. All right, so the email is published. What you have to do is add all the emails in the file that I'm going to give you. There's plenty of emails for people to receive every single day. As you can see here, this list has loads of emails. All you have to do is copy and paste it like I've just shown you. I'm not going to do it to all of them for the sake of this video. So let's go back to System.io and I'm going to hover my mouse over emails again. I'm going to go back to campaigns. Now we have our business, we have our offer, we have our website, all for free. The only thing that is missing right now is the traffic. But before I show you how you can get the traffic, I want to tell you about the giveaway that I'm doing. This course right here that you're seeing on screen is called Pro University. It's my course. It teaches you how you can build businesses online, including YouTube channels. All right. And I'm going to give 1 month for free for 5 people once I hit 100,000 subscribers. And what you have to do to enter this giveaway is like this video, comment a social media that I can use to get in touch with you on the comments, and subscribe to the channel. You need to be subscribed. And if you share this video with a friend and he does the same thing and he wins, you will also get a membership. So if you share this video with a friend and you can prove to me that he came to this video, subscribe to the channel through your recommendation, you both get 1 month membership each. So hit that like button, leave your social media, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to max out your chances to win the membership. Now that you've done that, if you want to get the traffic that I've just mentioned, click this video right here and you're going to be redirected to that video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.